Awareness precedes choice. Better awareness, better choices. Better choices, better results, says a very famous author. The recent choice I executed is to do this microvision program conducted by Uma and Shraddha of People First. There are so many realizations, awareness which is setting in, but the most two important takeaways, the first one is, I was just thinking my action points as my mission statement and my mission statement as my action points. A beautiful awareness is set in. How this awareness is set in? While doing the course, we did few workshop or few work towards next level you, micro actions, and few more. A clarity got set in that particular thing. A very different awareness have been generated in what my company vision is and what my action plan is. The most important takeaway which I have from this particular course is watching your breath. It's very new. I have heard about pranayama, breathing, this, that, but watching your own breath is doing magic to me that has to be experienced. Me being me, I would have stopped with the course. I wouldn't have even practiced what I would have done or what I went. But what happened was, just because of the follow-up group of WhatsApp group which Huma and Shraddha has got and the continuous voice messages from them, here I am continually doing this particular microvision course, following in, as I said, a beautiful awareness is setting into my life. Thank you, Uma. Thank you, Shraddha.